Once again, my little town's in the news, this time for all the wrong reasons. I've lived in this town a long time, but I've never had a problem with the pigs before.
Look, I know these cops. At first I thought they might be having it up. At the very least, I thought it could be a conflict of interest. Over the years there's been some odd stuff go down in this town of mine. We've had massive holes in the ground suddenly appear overnight. We've had some frightening car accidents in the past. We've heard rumours of horse meat at KFC. But this scene that I witnessed at the bottom end of the town's main street on Sunday night took the cake. Well, it didn't actually take the cake. It took buns and hot chips from KFC. So the story says life in the small town of Waihi is never a bore, and Sunday was no different after police pursued and captured a wild pig. The pig was estimated to weigh 150 kilograms, that's 320 pounds. Emergency services were notified of it making its way through the town and a pursuit ensued. Police, ambulance crew and workers from the local KFC managed to distract the pig before trapping it in a makeshift pen behind the local Presbyterian church. They fed it KFC, bread rolls and chips to distract it and stop it from running down Seddon Street. They made a temporary home for the pig at the back of the Presbyterian church, said the police. The pig was left to contemplate his sinful behaviour for the night, Waikato Police Constable Harley North told the radio station. North said that the pig was not known to the police and that inquiries were continuing.